Hello, English learners. Welcome to English Fun. Today, we will listen to an inspiring story from Japan. The English in this video is simple and clear, so you can understand and follow along easily. Let's learn together and enjoy the story.
My name is Aiko Tanaka. I was born in a small village called Shiwa in Iwate, northern Japan. The village is surrounded by mountains and rice fields, but life there is simple and limited. My father is a rice farmer, and my mother makes homemade bento, lunch boxes to sell at local schools. Every morning, I help my mom prepare the bento before going to school on my old bicycle. Even though we live simply, my parents always say that education is very important. They tell me you can never have too much knowledge. Since I was little, I liked science, especially robots. I often opened up old radios and toys to see how they worked. My friends called me Aiko the scientist. But our school didn't have many tools. There was no real science lab, and we only had 2 computers. Still, I didn't complain. I was even more excited to learn from old books and magazines. In junior high school, I joined a science writing competition. I made a simple robot arm from cardboard and old motors. I didn't win, but I was invited to visit a technical school in Morioka. That trip changed my life. I saw a real robotics lab for the first time. I promised myself that one day I would work in technology. After high school, I wanted to study at the University of Tokyo, but my family couldn't pay for it. I felt sad, but my science teacher helped me apply for a government scholarship. I got accepted into the University of Tokyo with a full scholarship, studying mechanical engineering. But it was very hard. The students were very smart, and I felt nervous. In my second year, I almost failed robotics class. But I didn't give up. I stayed in the lab at night, watched online lessons, and read science papers in English. Finally, my hard work paid off. My robot project for disaster rescue was chosen for a student conference in Asia. I cried when I saw my name in the conference program. After graduation, I got a job at a big tech company in Osaka. I worked on a team that built rescue robots for earthquake disasters. When a big earthquake hit Kumamoto, our team sent robots to help find people under broken buildings. I was so proud to see my robot in action. But my work didn't stop there. I started teaching part-time at a local university and gave free robot workshops to kids in villages. One day, I got a letter from a junior high school girl in Hokkaido. She wrote that after joining my workshop, she wanted to become an engineer like me. I was so touched. At 30 years old, I started a company called Mirai Tech. We make low-cost learning robots for schools in small towns in Japan and Southeast Asia. In 2024, a tech magazine named me one of the 100 most influential women in Asia. I gave the award to my parents who packed bento boxes with love every morning. Today, I still live in Japan, but I often travel to different countries to share technology and hope with children who have big dreams like I did. My journey was not easy. I failed, felt alone, and some people thought I was strange. But I believe that hard work and a kind heart can take us anywhere. My name is Aiko Tanaka. I started as a village girl with a dream, and I believe, yes, from a small bento box, someone can create something big for the world.